This is our trolley-style cleaning machine, featuring tie rods and rollers for easy mobility. Designed for effortless movement, it's perfect for efficient and flexible cleaning in any workspace. Equipped with an emergency stop button, this machine ensures operator safety by enabling a quick shutdown in case of any unexpected situation. It's designed to make the workspace safer and more secure. This offers 8 versatile light modes: straight line, circle, figure 8, square, and other modes. With these options, it can easily adapt to various welding requirements, ensuring precision and flexibility for all your needs. You can adjust the cleaning parameters on display screen, such as speed and width, to customize the cleaning process. It can clean a wide variety of cleaning applications across both metal and non-metal materials. Whether you're working with stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, copper, or wood, our cleaning technology is designed to deliver unmatched precision and efficiency in cleaning. This versatile machine can tackle various stains and surface contaminants, including wooden panel paint, tile paint removal, sheet metal paint removal.